Hey traders! Welcome back to LutaMarkets, your go-to place for pro trading tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to view two different TradingView tabs side by side on one screen using a simple Chrome extension called Dualless. If you don't have multiple monitors but want to compare two trading pairs or timeframes at the same time, this is a game changer. Stick around, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to install the Dualless Chrome extension. It's completely free and super easy to set up. Here's how to do it. Open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dualless and press enter. Click on the Dualless extension from the search results. Click Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension when prompted. Once installed, you'll see the Dualless icon appear in the top right corner of your browser. If you don't see it, click on the extension's icon, puzzle piece, and pin it for easy access. Before moving to the next step, ensure the extension is working by clicking on it. You should see screen splitting options appear. Now that Dualless is installed, let's move on to setting up TradingView for a side-by-side view. Now, let's set up TradingView with two different charts. Open a new Google Chrome window and go to tradingview.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Open a chart with your preferred trading pair, e.g., Euro to US dollar. Now, open a second tab and navigate to TradingView again. In this second tab, open a different trading pair, e.g., BTC a USD. Or a different time frame of the same pair. Make sure both tabs are fully loaded before proceeding. At this point, you should have two TradingView tabs open, ready to be displayed side by side. Let's move to the next step. Here comes the magic. With Dualless, we can split our screen in just a click. Click on the Dualless extension icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Choose a screen ratio that works for you. 50/50ths, equal split, best for equal comparison. 60/40ths, one tab slightly larger, great for prioritizing one chart. 70/30ths, one tab much larger, perfect if you need a primary and secondary view. Click on the split ratio you prefer, and Dualless will instantly resize your TradingView tabs into two side-by-side windows. If needed, you can manually adjust the window sizes further by dragging the edges. You'll now have both charts visible at the same time, a perfect solution for traders who need to monitor multiple assets or timeframes. Now that you have two charts on one screen, let's talk about some ways to make this setup even better. Adjust your chart layouts. TradingView allows you to save multiple chart layouts. Use this to quickly switch between different setups. Use full screen mode, hide unnecessary toolbars, and maximize the space for your charts. Sync your layouts. If you trade across multiple devices, ensure your settings are synced for a seamless experience. Customize indicators separately. Since each window is independent, you can apply different indicators to each TradingView tab for deeper analysis. Test different timeframes. With two charts open, try comparing different timeframes for a more complete market perspective. Utilize hotkeys. TradingView has various keyboard shortcuts to switch between layouts, drawing tools, and indicators efficiently. By combining TradingView's powerful charting tools with Dualless screen management, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient and productive trading session. Want to take things even further? Here's a bonus trick. You can open more than two TradingView tabs and arrange them using Dualless. Simply open a third TradingView tab and drag it into a separate Chrome window. Now, run Dualless again and arrange the screens in 3 different sections. Try different ratio options, such as 33:33:33 or 50:25:25, depending on your needs. This is perfect for traders monitoring multiple markets at once, such as Forex, crypto, and stocks simultaneously. You can also set up one window for a TradingView chart, another for news sources, and a third for a trading journal or Twitter feed. Give it a try and see how much it enhances your trading workflow. And that's it. Now you know how to view 2 or more TradingView charts side by side using Dualless. It's a simple and effective way to boost your trading efficiency without needing an extra monitor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip from LutaMarkets. Let me know in the comments, how many charts do you usually monitor at once? Are you tracking Forex, crypto, or stocks? Drop your setup below. Also, if you have any other cool Chrome extensions or trading hacks that help improve your workflow, share them in the comments. I'd love to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!